Here's an early look at the Yadea dual motor 1000-watt e-bike. So this one has a 500-watt motor on the front and another 500 on the back. Their standard single motor one has one 750 motor on the back. So we're going to take this for a ride and see how it goes and just have a nice little walk around here and appreciate the style and the substance here. It's a good looking bike. It's got a bucket in the middle. It's got a comfortable seat. It's kind of like 1970s motorbike style. You can put your little things in that bucket there and sit on the comfortable seat. The battery looks like a gas tank, and it's a very motorcycle-y e-bike.
This one is a rear drive, front drive, back to all drive.
So you can make it a front-wheel drive, a rear-wheel drive, or an all-wheel drive. It's your choice. You can use the control panel to switch back and forth to save energy or to go super fast. So, of course, I put it into the highest possible mode, and I slammed on the gas to see just how much power this has. And you can hear the front wheel spin when I give it some throttle here. And down here by the lake, here's what it looks like if you stop and then give it full throttle. This is how quickly it'll take off in two-wheel drive mode. I was impressed. It really gets up and moves. So they definitely got it right. They got the acceleration part right. This thing feels like it could go anywhere. I wish I had a hill to climb, but unfortunately I didn't. We're going to come up on some rough terrain here at the end of the lake path. And the suspension is good. You know, it's good streetable suspension. It's enough to suck up the bumps. Nothing super special. But again, this is built to a price point. I guess I didn't mention how much it costs because they didn't mention how much it costs. But I know that the rear-wheel drive model is $1,999, $1,999 in the USA. So I'd imagine this one's probably $500 more or maybe a little more than that. And it's not on their website yet. So this is a exclusive early look. So that's a 1000-watt two-wheel drive Yadea Trooper. Good-looking little bike, like a Vincent Black Shadow in electric version for the future. I like it. And if you want to know more, I'll put a link to their website in the description. This is the only video I could find on this is the one I'm making right now. I can't find any other videos of people who've shot a video of this dual drive model. So I think it's super new. I wish I'd talked to the people in the booth more. Normally I was just shooting video and kind of figuring stuff out from the website later, but there's not a lot of intel on this bike yet. So I guess look around, learn, and hopefully the marketing will catch up and you can learn a lot more about it than I've given you in this limited information first look. But thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and keep riding.